These 5 designs I have created in one click. Do you want to know how? Watch this video now. So to create the designs, all you have to do is just go into the Canva and search inside the template the food. So in my case, I am searching for an Indian food here, and because consider me as a restaurant owner, I want to create amazing designs for different dishes and all. So I'm just searching here and I have found this amazing template. This is tandoori chicken and it is offering this is, so this is the good thing, but this is the only one design I can create by editing. But what if I need more designs, like I have more dishes? How do I do the things repeating all the tasks, like upload the design and upload the images and put it here and change the text? What if I can use amazing Canva sheet? So if you want to open the amazing Canva sheet, so just go into the Canva again, and here you can see this amazing Canva sheet. So just click on it, it will open an amazing sheet format. I have already created my sheet in which I have added all the items, all the things which I need in my design. Like this, you can see the dish name. Okay, we need the dish name and the hook, which is a sub copy of my design. This is the hook. Also the photo of the product or the dish in my case. So this is here, and also the price. You can see this is the price I need. So I have added all the things in my designs. I have my design also ready. So what I need the 10 different variation of this design by using different copy, different photo and different pricing. So for that I will just go into this. I will also provide you this particular sheet inside the description, so you can use this particular sheet and create your one. So suppose if you are a travel agent, want to create amazing things for the different travel locations designs, then you can utilize this amazing Canva sheet. So all you have to do is just go into this apps, and here you can search the Bulk Create, or you can find it here as well. So just click on this Bulk Create and it will ask you to highlight or choose the design. So suppose here all your design project will come, but this design I have published as a branded template, so I can choose it from here and here as well. So I will just go and choose it from branded template and it will be edited like this. Okay, so now I can first go just a little back and I need to highlight the area I need to pick up. This area I need, and I just click on continue, pick the design. This is the design I need to pick, and here I can just connect. So I will just select on this and connect data, and here I need to add the dish. So just this here, and here the connect the data, and here I will go with hook, and in this particular I will connect the data and the pricing. Okay, and for this photo connect data, and I will select the photo. Now in one single click we can create the 5 amazing designs. So you can see all the design in progress and start creating. So you can see all of our design is created. You can see somewhat, you can see the copies added. So what you can do, you can just open this inside this, and you can see this is the copy we have added is too high, which is not fitting. So what you can do, just increase the size, and now you can just put it here in the right position. And you can see also this image is cropped. So what you can do, just click on this crop button and click on this original and just click on done. So you can see also the pricing is already set. So in one single shot you can create amazing 5 designs or the 10 designs or 100 design in one single click inside the Canva by using Canva sheet. So why not you are creating? This is a game changer feature for a small business owner. So try it now. If you find this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe. It motivates us to create amazing content. So subscribe now. I will create amazing stuff about the Canva. Do it now.